Hey everyone, this is Tammy again. Happy Tuesday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. Hey, I wanted to let you know that while I was taking a walk with my granddaughter, I got paid $300 just for taking a walk. No, just kidding. Anyway, welcome Donna. She's an amazing person. I love working with Donna. She's part of our Get Fearless Freedom movement, and she decided to pull the trigger to get this extended product that we came out with in March. And so we just crossed over the multiple 5 figures with the cash vault, my son and I, and we're going to be launching a VIP program. We went over that on Monday, so you can always check out that video. It's literally right next to this one on my YouTube channel. But I just wanted to say how exciting this is to get paid while I'm watching my granddaughter. It is amazing that I still get excited after 14 years, millions of dollars later, in the member-to-member space, in the niche of member-to-member. And you know what? It's really simple. All you have to do is advertise my 3-minute video, and the system will kick out the $300 in commissions. So you don't have to set anything up, you don't have to program it, you don't even have to think of the ideas, you don't even have to put the products together. They're done for you. So this is a digital marketing product. There's no downloads. It's all in the back office. We've gone over it extensively, and I go over it extensively on our cash vault page. So all you have to do next in order to learn how to earn $300 while you're walking your kids or your grandkids, you can go to my website, link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm literally going to be blowing this up this summer on automation. And all you have to do is click the link below, go to instantpaymentsnow.com. You can also follow me on Facebook. I'm over on Facebook at Work with Tammy Montgomery. You can literally get onto my email list on the Instant Payments Now and see how I have this set up on automation with my Get Fearless Freedom opportunity. And of course, if you have not reviewed that, you can always check out my other videos here on my channel. So once again, welcome Donna. I'm so excited to have you part of the cash vault, the 300 cash vault, and making it into our community. 32 minutes ago, you can see I'm literally, this is my email, okay? So you get to see, this is proof. This is literally me. Hi, Tammy. And this is my email, and this is the cash that I just received in my Cash App. So make sure you have Cash App set up, make sure you have Zelle set up, make sure you have Venmo set up, and even good old-fashioned MoneyGrams, Western Unions, you name it, you can take cash directly to you, instantly to you. You don't have to wait on any company to ever pay you out. So once again, this is Tammy, the Fearless Mama, the Fearless Grandmother. I will see you on the next video.